Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken kurma with cashews. Here my mom is explaining how tasty it would be, and it's an Andhra special too, and this is generally made when the girls get married and the son-in-laws come to the in-laws to the girls' home. They get well treated with all the different festive food, and this is one of it, the special food that is made for son-in-laws. So do try it, and let us know how it turned out for you in the comment section. This is very tasty and yummy recipe and speciality of our Andhra. This can be made with um, raw cashews that we get during the summer season. That curry is even more tastier, but during the winter and rainy season we don't get those raw cashews. So these are the dry cashew nuts which we are going to use, which will be soaked overnight. So for this particular recipe, these are the ingredients: chicken and cashews soaked overnight, washed and soaked overnight. So drain the water and keep it aside. And a cup of onions and 4 slit green chilies, ginger garlic paste, and masala paste. This masala paste is made at home. I'll keep the link of this masala paste in the description below. I have made it previously, and I'll keep the link, that particular link in the description below. So take a pan, add some oil, and add in onions and green chilies and a little bit of salt, and start frying them. So once they are roasted and translucent like this, add in the ginger garlic paste and roast it until the raw smell disappears, and add in the chicken also now, and start frying it. We need chicken that is well roasted, well fried, so keep roasting it for 5 to 10 minutes on a medium flame. Add in some salt, add in some turmeric powder and start frying the chicken. So now you see it is well roasted and well fried. Now add in red chilli powder, 2 spoons, mix it up properly, then add in the masala paste that we prepared. Add in the complete masala paste, mix it up properly, and then add in enough salt for the chicken to cook properly. Mix it up well, and then add in half cup of water depending on the quantity of the chicken. Mix it up once, and then cook until 2 whistles come in the pressure cooker. So after the pressure is released, this is how it will look, a little watery, but when we add in the cashews and cook, the water gets slowly evaporates. So add in the cashews now, the soaked ones, and don't keep the lid completely covered. Leave it a little open and start roasting it for 5 to 10 minutes, occasionally stirring. So after a few minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes, this is how it would look. Now add in some coriander leaves and curry leaves. Mix everything properly again, and leave it on for another few more minutes, maybe 2 or 3. That's it, it's done. So it's a little bit watery now, very little. So leave it on for 2 to 3 more minutes. And now you can see it's completely done. So dish it out, serve it with rice, chapati, roti, pulka or any pulao rice. It would taste wonderful. So please do try and let us know in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching again. Bye bye.